Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive access denied or permission issue. First of all, confirm you're signed in into the correct Google account. Then you're going to then request access from the file owner using the request access button. If you own the file, check sharing settings and revoke/reapply permissions. Safety tip: do not accept permissions requests from unknown people. Verify the identity first, or else they could have access inside your drive and could corrupt your files. Quick fix: copy the file to your own drive. If you have view access, then adjust permissions on the copy, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.